Hello, welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to make a macrame feather with this kind of pattern. Here are the materials we will need for this project. Please check in the description box below for the details. To get started, we're going to take the 50 centimeters or 20 inches long cords and we're going to attach them onto the wooden ring using Lark knot. So we fold the cord in half, put the loop end on top of the ring, wrap it around behind the ring like this. Now we have a little loop open and then pull the cord ends through and pull that down tightly. And then repeat this 2 more times for a total of 3 cords. Once all the cords have been attached to the wooden ring, tape the wooden ring like this to ease the next steps. So now we can start to attach the fringe in the right cord. Take a single 20 centimeter or 8 inches cord, attach it to the cord in the right using reverse Lark knot. Fold it in half, put the loop under the right cord and take it to the cord ends. Then put the cord ends through the loop, pull it down nice and tight. And then slide it to the very top, close to the wooden ring. Repeat it 1 more time, so we will have 2 cords attached on the right. Once it's all attached, we can now start to create a diagonal double half hitch knot from the left to the right. We're going to use the very left cord as a holding cord and the next cord as a working cord. Take the working cord, put it over and then take it through that loop. Pull it up and position that right at the top. Repeat 1 more time with the same working cord. So basically we're going to do it twice to each of the working cords. Repeat the same exact step to make the double half hitch knot with all the working cords. And make sure the diagonal half hitch knot goes right up to the edge on the right fringe. Once we're done with the first diagonal half hitch knot, we're ready to attach another fringe, but this time we're going to attach 2 fringe on the left and on the right side. Attach them with Lark knot, just the same exact thing as we did in the previous steps. After they're attached, we're going to create a diagonal half hitch knot from the left to the right again. Repeat the same steps just like when we made the first diagonal half hitch knot. And make sure it goes right up to the edge on the right fringe. So here, as you can see, we have this cute pattern, and we're going to continue to make 2 more diagonal half hitch knots. So now I speed up here because it's just the same exact thing as the previous step we did before. It's pretty simple, but if you still need slow instruction, you can go backward to the previous minutes. Once we're done, it's time to cut the excess cords. I cut them with the same length as the other fringe. You can decide how long the fringe you want, but just don't cut it too short because we will cut it again later after we untrace the fringe. Now we're going to untwist and comb the fringe. Comb it from front to back again and again. And then grab your scissors, cut the edge carefully by leading to the shape of the leaf or heart. It's not easy to do this part. I suggest to do this carefully by cutting it little by little. Put it on your palm and then flip it back and forth until you're happy with the look. There we go. Finally, our macrame feather has done. So thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck and I'll see you soon.